The AWB extension identifies an adaptive multi-rate wideband audio file containing wideband speech audio for mobile telecommunications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play convert or troubleshoot these mobile voice recording files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional AWB file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. AWB files are audio files encoded with the AMR-WB Adaptive Multi-Rate Wideband codec, providing improved speech quality over standard AMR narrowband. They are used in 3G and 4G mobile networks for HD voice calls and are commonly found as voice recordings on smartphones. AMR-WB AWB files use a wideband speech codec sampling at 16 kHz, with 9 codec modes ranging from 6.60 to 23.85 kbps. The format includes a 6-byte magic number header, AMR-WB, followed by frame data. It doubles the audio bandwidth compared to standard AMR for clearer speech. We recommend using VLC Media Player by Videoland Project to ensure proper reading of AWB. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows enables quick previews, but comprehensive editing requires digital audio workstations. Your key action: right-click the AWB file and choose Open With. Test VLC Media Player if it's an option. If not, select another application. Testing is the most reliable way to find the issue. If the AWB file still will not open, there's no need to stress. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent AWB problem. First, playing the file. Open AWB files in VLC Media Player, which includes native AMR-WB decoding support. On mobile devices, most default media players handle AWB playback. If VLC shows errors, ensure you have the latest version with complete codec libraries installed. Next, converting to MP3 or WAV. Use FFmpeg to convert AWB files to standard formats by running FFmpeg, input, WB output MP3 or output.wav. The conversion produces audio files compatible with all standard media players and editing applications for universal playback. Finally, extracting from phones. AWB voice recordings are stored in your phone's recorder directory, typically under DCIM or recordings. Connect via USB and copy AWB files to your computer. Convert to MP3 or WAV for archival sharing and playback on devices without AMR-WB codec support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.